Have you ever wondered how some people stay calm and composed no matter what life throws at them? What if you could unlock that same power to stay focused and unshaken in the face of challenges? This isn't just a dream. It's a way of life, guided by the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. Stoicism isn't just a set of ideas. It's a practical guide to mastering your emotions, actions, and thoughts. And the best part, anyone can apply it. Stoicism teaches one simple truth: focus only on what you can control and let go of what you can't. Think about it. How often do we stress over things completely outside our power? Imagine it's raining on a day you planned for an outdoor event. You can't stop the rain, but you can bring an umbrella or change your plans. Stoicism is like that umbrella for your mind. It helps you adapt, respond, and move forward, no matter the situation. At its core, Stoicism transforms how we think. It encourages us to see obstacles as opportunities. Let's say you've had a disagreement with someone close to you. Instead of reacting with anger or frustration, Stoicism teaches you to pause and ask yourself, what is within my control right now? You can't control the other person's emotions, but you can choose your response. This shift in thinking can prevent small problems from escalating and help you find peace in difficult moments. Stoicism also has a profound effect on our emotional health. Emotions are powerful and often overwhelming, but Stoicism reminds us that they are born from our thoughts about events, not the events themselves. Imagine someone criticizes you. Your initial reaction might be to feel hurt or offended, but what if, instead, you paused and reflected? Is this criticism valid? Can I learn something from it? If yes, use it to grow. If not, let it go. This practice helps you stay calm and focused, rather than being controlled by fleeting emotions. Another way Stoicism changes us is by fostering resilience. Life is full of unexpected challenges: losing a job, facing rejection, or dealing with failure. A Stoic mindset doesn't deny the pain these moments bring, but instead focuses on how to navigate them. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic thinkers, often reminded himself, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Resilience doesn't mean avoiding challenges, but facing them with grace and courage. This philosophy also nurtures responsibility. Stoicism teaches us to stop blaming others or external circumstances for our problems. Instead, it encourages us to take ownership of our actions and decisions. When something doesn't go as planned, ask yourself, what could I have done differently? This isn't about self-criticism, but about self-improvement. Over time, this approach builds confidence and a sense of control over your life. Stoicism's emphasis on acceptance is equally transformative. Life won't always go your way, and that's okay. Accepting the things you can't change doesn't mean giving up. It means finding peace with reality. Epictetus, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This perspective helps you focus on solutions instead of dwelling on problems, turning setbacks into stepping stones. Another gift of Stoicism is its focus on values. Stoics believe that living a virtuous life, one guided by wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline, is the ultimate goal. Imagine facing a tough decision, like whether to stand up for what's right or stay silent to avoid conflict. Stoicism inspires us to choose the path of integrity, even when it's hard. Over time, these choices shape us into better, stronger, and more compassionate individuals. One of the most freeing lessons Stoicism offers is its perspective on material possessions. In a world that constantly pushes us to chase more money, more success, more stuff, Stoicism reminds us that true contentment comes from within. Wealth and status are temporary, but a calm and focused mind is priceless. By letting go of the need for external validation, we can focus on what truly enriches our lives, relationships, growth, and purpose. Stoicism also helps us stay grounded in the present moment. Too often, we're caught up in regrets about the past or worries about the future. But the Stoics believed that the only time we truly have is now. By being mindful of the present, we can make better decisions and fully appreciate life as it unfolds. So, how can you start practicing Stoicism today? It's simpler than you think. The next time you face a challenge, pause and ask yourself, what's in my control here? Focus your energy on what you can change and let go of what you can't. Reflect on your emotions and choose your responses wisely. Little by little, you'll notice a shift in your mindset and how you handle life's ups and downs. Are you ready to take control of your life and transform your mind with Stoicism? Start small, stay consistent, and watch how this ancient wisdom brings clarity and strength to your everyday experiences. Your journey to a calmer, more focused you begins now. Try it today and see the difference it makes.